Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Monday, May the 4th, week 19. As you can recall, we're currently looking at 5 major currency pairs. So that's the GBP USD, the GBP yen, the USD yen, the Kiwi dollar, and gold dollar. Last week Friday, the USD yen closed below our support level of 106. And as you can recall, we put it in the horizontal line at 106. The closing of the candlestick and the confirmation of that close below the 106 level kind of giving us the confirmation for us to dive deeper into opening a short position. And that's exactly what we did for the USD yen. We opened that short position because the technicals were right, the fundamentals were right, and the market psychology was right. We're still keeping an eye on the other 4 currency pairs to see if our strategy is satisfied in order for us to open a position. It looks to be a good week. The fundamentals are strong this week. As last week we discussed, we're looking to long the USD. This week our view on longing the USD hasn't changed, but as we've seen from last week GDP numbers out of the US, we're just going to keep that in mind, as well as looking at the technicals and kind of keeping tabs on the market psychology as well. So it is the open. Let's have a quick look at the USD yen position we open and see how we plan on playing it for the week.
USD yen, the pair that we've got position open on. Down to the daily, and just to mention guys, I'm doing this off my live account. It's not a demo account, it's my live account. So back to the daily, we can see that our horizontal line is in there at 106. Jump down quickly 1 hour so I can give you a bit more information on this pair. So if you can see here, we've closed below our horizontal line. We put in at the 106 on Friday. So let's just jump back up a little bit to 4 hours and see where we are. I open a sell position of one lot, which is 100,000 units. And if you don't know what lots are, they're basically the units of currency you can trade to buy or sell. I'll put a link in the description below to give you a bit more information on what lots are. I opened that sell position on Friday and kind of just left it throughout the, for it to play out. There is no set parameters on whether I open and close my positions at specific times. I kind of just look at the market and see how the candlestick is going to play into my strategy. Let's just jump to the 1 hour quickly and give you a bit more details on that. So I open that position out the 106 just at the closing of that candlestick on Friday. That sell position. I've got my stop loss up to 108. Looking at the 1 hour, and then if we jump up quickly to, let's jump up quickly to the daily, and I can show you what my take profit is. I've got my take profit in there at the 101. The 101, which is the last lower lows. We touched on that on March the 8th. That's what I've got my take profit at, which works out to be 538.5 pips. GBP equivalent to that is £4,052.68. Stop loss is at 137.5 pips. Good 4-to-1 ratio in there, profit to loss. Let's just jump quickly to the monthly, and I can give you a bit more analysis on this. If we're on the monthly looking left, the last time we closed below the cloud here, if you look left, is here at 2008, and when we close below the cloud, the trend is a downtrend from then on. And if we look further left, we can see that when we close below the cloud, so let me just put in the trend line to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm drawing the trend line here to show you what I'm talking about. We closed below the cloud in 2007 to 2011, the financial crisis. That's Black Monday, happened in August 2011. So we'll move that trend line here to see what we closed below the cloud, and we can see that the trend was the downside here. So I mean, the sell position, I'm quite confident on my sell position at 106. As part of my strategy, my take profit will be at a 101, and then seeing how that plays out, I might open another swing trade to see how far below the 101. That will also depend on what the fundamentals are in terms of the US data and the current geopolitical issues happening. So I'm just going to remove that now for the time being, and jump down quickly to the daily to give us a full picture of my short. So you can see short 106, stop loss 108, take profit at 101, and I'm just going to leave that there at the moment. And as I said, I'm not going to come back to this. I might use my broker's app to keep tabs on this position, but there's nothing else I need to do now. So we just move on to the next pairs that we're keeping tabs on, which will be GBP USD. So on the GBP USD, let's just jump quickly down to the daily. We can see our horizontal line is still in there at the 1.28. That's our support level that we're hoping that to be tested as a resistance. for this retracement, and we're still kind of waiting on that. There's a consolidation. We drew in the circle of the consolidation last week, so let's just jump down quickly to the daily to have another look and see. Yeah, so we're kind of still consolidating here, and we've closed above the cloud. We're looking for the support level to be tested, a signal for us to be able to go into this and looking to shorten this pair. But then, as I said, it all depends on what the fundamentals are at this point in time. So let's just jump again down quickly to the weekly and have another look left and see where we are. So yeah, we're happy with our horizontal line at the 1.28. We're kind of consolidated here, so there's nothing much we can do on this pair, but then just keep tabs on it and move on to the next pair that we're keeping a watch on, which is the GBP yen. So on the GBP yen, let's just jump quickly down to the weekly to have a quick look. Yeah, we're happy with our horizontal line at the 136. Let's jump down quickly to the daily to see where we are. Yeah, we drew in a circle there to show the consolidation. We've kind of consolidated up here. We're consolidating now in the cloud. We've got a cross between our Chaikin and our Kaiju here to the upside, but then we know what the fundamentals are for the GBP yen. So we kind of extend our consolidation into the cloud here. Our support line is there. We're hoping for this to be tested, and once that's tested, we then we can then have another closer look at this pair. But for the time being, we're just gonna keep tabs on it and jump back up to the weekly chart, leave you on the weekly chart, and move on to our next pair that we're watching, which will be the Kiwi USD. So on the Kiwi USD, let's just jump down quickly to the weekly. We see our horizontal line is still in at the 0.635. We're still in consolidation at the 0.604, 0.603, 0.605. Same as the GBP yen, we just kind of keep tabs on this. There's nothing on any of the other indicators, but then this is kind of mainly playing to the fundamentals at the moment, so keep tabs on these pairs and see what happens. We're going to jump on to our last watch list pair, which is the gold dollar. So on the gold dollar, let's jump quickly to the weekly and see where we are. We've got that circle in there from consolidation. We've got our support level at 1780, and we said last week we'd be looking to short this once we've tested that level. Let's test it and the candlesticks close above that level. But then also do keep in mind that that would depend on the fundamental at this point as well. The fundamentals in each time play a crucial role into any currency pair analysis, so you want to keep close tabs on that, as well as your technical analysis and market psychology as well. So let's jump down to the daily and see where we are. Okay, the circle is still there. We're still consolidating here at the 1706. As I said, we're looking to test that level, but then at the time being, there's nothing we can do but keep tabs on this. I mean, we can see a formation of a flag. So if I draw that in here for you, we can see a formation of the flag, which normally dictates that we're gonna break onto the upside from this consolidation and test that level. But we're not gonna, we're not paying too much focus on that at the moment. We're just gonna wait for this level to be tested and then go back in to see what we need to do.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That was a quick analysis of the 5 pairs we're looking at, with a primary focus on the USD yen, because that's the position we've got open. We'll do another summary by the close on Friday to see how the week played out for us. I'm pretty confident that the short we put in for the USD yen is going to play out for us in a week. Have a good trading week, and we'll catch up on Friday.